Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic, and I have another after action medical report video for you guys. Man, you guys blew up my Instagram and Facebook on this one. This has been a very popular video, very popular body cam footage. So I want to break it down for you. I'm going to break down the medical part, and someone else who's a firearms expert can do other things with the video. But I just want to focus in on the medical portion, the tourniquet application, the bystander care. There's a lot of information here, so let's take a look at it.
What are you saying?
Right here, and you got it done.
7-9 Baker, bring the flag down on disturbance. Shots fired! Shots fired!
I need a tourniquet now.
I have an officer hit in the leg. Give me cars here, code 10. Trav, I got you,
Watch out. He's moving still, 79 Baker, straight ambulance, code 10, hit in the leg.
Step up, step up. Lift your foot up, bud. I got you, dude. You're okay.
79 Baker, he's going to be in the 500 block, right in front of a silver Jeep. He's still moving. My partner's putting my tourniquet on right now, so I'm not able to get him into custody yet. Mark this time for tourniquet time. The black male, he apparently just robbed at the 7-Eleven. He still has the cash register in hand.
I got him. Get down. Back. Get back.
I'm not beating this guy, dude.
I've got him, Trav. We're facing eastbound. Our line of fire is eastbound. I'm good.
That hurt.
What's that?
That hurt quite a bit.
I bet it did.
You guys ready to move up? Blanche!
Blanche! Wait, Trav, let them handle it. Just stay back, dude. Sit down. Dude, I got too much crossfire. Blanche, you guys got him? Do you have him?
I just caught there's one on the way.
Got a bystander shot as well in the leg.
How's that tourniquet hold?
Alright, hold tight pressure, okay?
You didn't get away?
No. Trav, go sit down.
I'm good, man.
I know you're good. Sit the down.
So the officers exchange gunfire here. The officer who's hit says, "Hey, I've been hit," and his partner applies the tourniquet, reassures him too. He's like, "Bud, I got you. You're fine. I got you. I got you taken care of." Now, granted, we don't see a massive amount of blood loss here, but there's only 2 officers on scene, and they still think they have an active threat. So the goal is to stay into the fight. So they apply a tourniquet. No problem. I'm not going to fault them at all for that. Apply the tourniquet and let a medical professional take a look at it afterwards, whether that be a paramedic, their SWAT medic, or a physician when they get to the ER says, "You know what, it really didn't need a tourniquet, but you guys did a great job." And while we're on the subject of whether or not this needed a tourniquet or not, I wanted to read a small little portion from you from the Stop the Bleed class. This is a national class is recognized. And on the slide, one of the sentences says, no amputations have been caused by tourniquet when left in place for fewer than 2 hours. But it's best to get the patient to a trauma center as soon as possible so the bleeding can be completely controlled and the tourniquet removed. So, officer gets shot, they apply a tourniquet, they stay in the fight. I don't see anything wrong with it. As far as the best I can tell by looking at the footage, this is a Gen 7 cat tourniquet. Obviously it's a cat tourniquet, but I believe looking at the windlass, you can kind of see a little bit, this is a Gen 7. So he didn't need to double loop the buckle, anything like that. With the Gen 7, you don't have to double loop like you used to with the older generation tourniquets. It's one pull through the buckle for an arm or for a leg here.
My partner's putting my tourniquet on right now, so I'm not able to get him into custody yet. Mark this time for tourniquet time.
So the officer keys up and says, mark tourniquet time. That's a fantastic idea because dispatch is able to hit a button, bloop, timestamp, and it's there, they have it.
Get down. I got him, get down. Back, get back.
I'm not beating this guy, dude.
I've got him, Trev.
So after they get the tourniquet applied, the other officer kind of steps up and takes point, and he's trying to get the person who's been shot, the officer who's been shot, to back off. And like, I don't blame the guy. Like, you shoot me in the leg, I want to stay in the fight too. So I'm going to pause the video right here because you see the officer, he kind of does this sweeping motion. He's checking to see if he's been hit. Again, this happens frequently, that you get shot and you're like, holy crap, and your adrenaline dumps, everything goes through the roof. You apply the tourniquet and you realize maybe you were shot up under the armpit, maybe you're shot in the abdomen, and you didn't realize it. Like, your adrenaline's so pumped up that you didn't realize you've been shot more than once. So after the gun battle, after this huge thing starts to kind of level out, you need to do a blood sweep. Check yourself, check your buddy, just to make 100% sure you're not missing a gunshot wound. Especially like right here. These are very easy to miss. Stop, don't shoot me. Stuff like that happens.
Alright, hold tight pressure, okay?
So I've read on some of the other forums watching this video that people are just all over for the cops at the end of the video for not applying a tourniquet to the patient on the ground in the flower bed. But maybe I missed it, and I'm sure you guys, you're super detailed. I don't know that the officer who got hit has a tourniquet on him. Because he didn't use his when he gets hit. He's doing a mag change. He's already fired rounds. Who knows how many rounds? He's doing a mag change. Exactly what he should be doing. He says, I need a tourniquet. He doesn't pull one out of his belt and say, hey, I need a tourniquet. His buddy, the body camera watching, pulls the tourniquet out and applies it. So I don't think they had a tourniquet to put on the patient in the flower bed. So what does he do? Hold pressure. Talks her through it. So I don't fault the officers here at all.
You didn't get away?
No. Trev, go sit down.
I'm good, man.
I know you're good. Sit the down.
I know this is really bad, but I think it's kind of funny to watch the officer limp around. It hurts, okay? Getting shot doesn't feel great. Putting tourniquet on doesn't feel great. This officer's like limping around, still actively involved in the scene, and he is limping around, but he's hurting. So the little nugget of information I want you to gain from this video is the fact that at the very beginning of the video, there was a lot of exchange of gunfire. One officer obviously got hit in the leg. So after the dust settles, let's do a blood sweep. Let's double check yourself, double check your partner, and do a good blood sweep just to make sure you're not missing anything. Making sure that your partner who got shot in the leg didn't get shot somewhere else. Making sure you didn't get shot. Your adrenaline's through the roof as well. These officers did a fantastic job. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. You need the right gear and the right training. So I think the little nugget of information I want you to take from this video is the fact that there was a lot of exchange of gunfire at the very beginning of the video.